Hi! In front of me is Nokia G22 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Nokia. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, in order to disable location, select Close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my Nokia is now off. If you wish to switch it back on, just tap on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices settings instead. Scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!